Hello student, in this video we will discuss about testing for specialized environment. Introduction. The testing for predictable system is appropriate overall situations, application and architectures, but at times exclusive guidelines and methods to testing are essential. Specific testing methods include an extensive variety of software abilities and application areas. In this chapter, we will discuss about GUI testing, testing of client-server architecture, testing documentation and help facilities, and testing for real-time system. First, testing graphical user interface. GUI testing is defined as the method of testing the system graphical user interface of the application under test. GUI testing is unconditionally important for any application has to be user friendly. The end user must be comfortable while using all the components on the screen. The component must be perform their functionality with extreme clearness. What is GUI? There are two types of interfaces for a computer application. Command line interface is where you type text and computer respond to that command. GUI stand for graphical user interface, where you interact with the computer using images rather than text. Following are the GUI elements which can be used for interaction between the user and application. Here we can use the text boxes and checkbox radio buttons for the interaction between the user and application. Here the example of GUI. GUI testing is a software testing type that checks the graphical user interface of the software. The purpose of graphical user interface testing is to ensure the functionalities of software application work as per specification by checking screen and controls like menus, buttons, icon, etc. GUI is what the user sees. Say if you visit w3school.com, what you will see say homepage, it is the GUI of the site. A user does not see the source code. The interface is visible to the user. Especially the focus is on the design structure, images, that they are working properly or not. In this example, if we have to do GUI testing, we first check that the images should be completely visible in different browsers. Also, the links are available and the button should work when click. Also, if the user resides the screen, neither images nor content should shrink or crop or overlap. A normal user first observes the design and looks of the application software and how easy it is for him to understand the user interface. If a user is not comfortable with the interface or find application complex to understand, he would never going to use that application again. That's why GUI is a matter for concern and proper testing should be carried out in order to make sure that GUI is free of bugs. Then what do you check in GUI testing? Check all the elements for size, position, width, length and acceptance of characters or numbers. Check you can execute the intended functionality of the application using the GUI. Check error messages are displayed correctly. Check Font use in application is readable. Check the alignment of the text is proper. Check that the images have good clarity.